In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own templates to the library in GoHighLevel. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and that you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want to create this template. From your dashboard, head straight to the Launchpad area. This is usually the main starting point when you log in, and it gives you quick access to the tools you'll be using. From the Launchpad, click on Sites. This section is where GoHighLevel keeps everything related to funnels, websites, forms, and surveys. Even though we'll use a funnel in this example, the process you're about to learn is the same for a website, a survey, or a form. Once you're inside the Sites area, look for the option to create something new. Click on New Funnel. If you prefer to work with a website or a survey instead, you can choose those. But remember, the steps from here are identical no matter which one you pick. A window will pop up asking you for some basic details. Give your new funnel a clear and descriptive name in the name field, something that will make sense later when you see it in your template library. For example, you might name it based on a niche or purpose, like lead gen, dentist, or webinar registration. Once you've entered the name, choose the option to create it from blank, then click on Create. GoHighLevel will now create your new funnel and open it up so you can start designing. At this point, go ahead and build or edit your funnel just the way you want your template to look. Add your pages, sections, forms, branding, and any other elements you want included every time you use this template in the future. Take your time here, because the quality of your template depends on how well you set it up now. When you're happy with the design and everything is saved, click on Back to return to the list of your funnels or sites. Find the funnel or site you just created. On the right-hand side, you'll see 3 dots next to its name. Click on those 3 dots to open the options menu. From that menu, select Upload to Funnel Templates. This is the action that turns your existing funnel into a reusable template inside your account. Keep in mind that this feature does require the higher tier GoHighLevel plan, the one at $497 per month. If your account has access to that plan, a window will appear asking for a template name and a category. Enter a clear template name and choose or create a category that makes sense for how you'll use it, such as onboarding, local business, or webinars. When you're done, click to add or upload the template. GoHighLevel will then save it into your template library, and from that point on, you'll be able to select it whenever you create a new funnel, website, or similar asset in your account. And that's all you need to do to add your own templates to the GoHighLevel template.